We got Sheba, a barnyard buddy. Here, I gotta take the paper off. Hold on. It's like glued on there. Or it ain't glue, but it's taped. And it looks like that. It's a pig. Pig? Sheba, Sheba, sit. Calm down. First, she's gonna take my hand with her. Watch her eat it. Come on, Sheba. Lay down. I ain't gonna take it from you, I swear. Let me sit. Drop it. Let me sit for a minute. Yeah, it's like a pig. You might see what it looks like in the other video at the pet store. She's never had nothing like this before. She seems to like it. It said it was bacon and cheese flavor. So yeah. She's eating the butt of it. She eats the butt part first. Or when it's... Oh. Yeah, you've probably seen what it looks like in the other video. The one I posted of her at the pet store. She's got another half of it. I think that's the face of it. It actually smells good for a dog treat. Normally they stink. But it actually smells kind of good. It smells like a cookie. Peanut butter cookie or something. I don't know, but it smells good, trust me. Okay, well, I think she got it all. Is it all gone? All gone.